welcome back to the channel. Super excited today because I'm doing a 2 looks with one palette. This is the brand new The Once palette, the collab with Noel and Makeup Revolution. I have the eyeshadow palette here. This is a massive palette with so many gorgeous shades. Look at that. Oh. So I will be doing 2 looks using this brand new palette. Now if you guys missed my review and swatches and talking about the quality and everything, that is in a separate video. I will link that below in the description box, so definitely check that out. So I originally planned on doing 3 looks with this palette because it's so massive. There's 24 eyeshadows and there's so many beautiful color combinations. It was really hard to decide on what to do, so I just did 2 looks because once I started doing this one, my eyes, my eyelids are just screaming at me, kind of burning, because I have really sensitive skin. So removing makeup, applying, removing, it really irritates my skin. So if you guys want to see me do 2 different looks using the brand new the Emily Edit The Once eyeshadow palette, definitely keep watching. Let's get into all the tutorials. So for the first look, I'm taking Midwest and I'm going to apply this in my crease and also the inner portion and outer portion of the eyelid, because I am going to do a halo eye or sandwich eye look. So I'm just patting this color on and making sure to blend everything really well. Taking Laughcry on a smaller brush, this color is so pretty. It's a really orangey, peachy toned color. I'm applying it in the same way I did the first shade, but I'm not blending it up into the crease too much. But I do want to make sure to blend very well in the outer inner corner, and I'm just really layering this up and building up the color slowly. Going back into Midwest, I'm going to blend out the edges once more and pull that shade back into the look. And then I'm also going to apply the same 2 shades and do exactly what we did on the top. I'm applying the inner and outer corner, but leaving the middle blank because we're going to add a shimmery shade towards the end. Taking Cheer, I'm going to darken those same areas, but I'm not going to apply this in the crease. I'm patting this on with a very small blending brush and then doing small circular motions just to blend it, but I want to keep it exactly where it's at. And then once more, doing the same thing with a flat liner brush on the lower lash line. Taking Top Story, I'm going to wet my brush and apply this really pretty golden shade to that center area that we left blank. And I did have to do probably 2 or 3 layers of this color, and definitely applying it wet makes it more intense. I'm also doing the same exact thing to the lower lash line as well. And then just going through with my blending brush once more to soften the edges. I did apply a black liner to my waterline, applied a black liquid liner, mascara, and some false lashes. And then last minute, I took Love Tons on the same brush. I just wiped it off really quickly, and I wanted to brighten up those same areas once more, so I'm just patting the brush on the inner and outer corner on the top and bottom lash line. And then one more blend, final blend with that same brush one last time, just to finish everything off. I paired this look with a nude lipstick. This one's from e.l.f. It's called Touch of Nude, and that completes the first look. I really love how this halo eye turned out, and you guys know I've been really loving orange shadows, so you can definitely create a really pretty look with this palette. Alright, let's move on to look number 2. I'm starting off with Hobby into the crease on the same fluffy brush. I'm going to slowly build this color up because it is very sheer. So I'm just patting this in the crease and blending back and forth. And I'm also going to apply this to the lower lash line and a flat smudger brush. Just blending that really well and connecting it up into the crease. Next, we're taking corduroy and a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to really focus this on the outer corner, patting this on to the half of my lid and then going into the crease a little bit, not too far. We're going to slowly build this up and start blending this out. I want to go for a very intense smoky green eye look. So I want the outer corners of my eyes to be really dark and then kind of fade slowly into a lighter green towards the inner part of the eye where the tear duct is. So I'm just adding and blending, packing on that color, slowly blending this onto the lid, laying my brush flat to blend the shade, and then going back through with that first shade we laid down just to blend out the edges. And then now I'm going to apply the same color to the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take Dark and Early, which is the darkest shade in this palette. I'm just going to tap this on the outer corner here and just blend this very softly. And I'm also going to smudge this really close to the bottom lash line, because again, we're going for a very smoky look, but I do want to concentrate the color really close to the lashes. I applied a really pretty green shade to my waterline. This one is from Essence. And now I'm taking Side Hustle on a dry flat shader brush. I'm packing this on over top of corduroy, mainly on the one side or half of my eyelid. And now I'm taking Grateful, and this time I'm going to apply it wet because I want this color to really pop on the eyelid. So I'm patting this on, and I did have to layer this up quite a few times, but definitely wetting the brush made this color really intense. I want a nice gradient between the light green and fading to the darker colors. I'm taking Oh Heavens, and I'm going to highlight the inner corner right on the tear duct. And again, I did wet this shade as well because it wasn't as pigmented as I was hoping. It is definitely a very soft color. It's not really light enough for my skin tone, but I made it work. For this look, I used a green hunter green liner and applied some mascara and lashes. For the lips, I'm using this Amore Shine lip color from Milani, which I think complemented the look really well. And so that completes look number 2. I am obsessed with the greens in this palette, and that is the finished look. Alright guys, so that completes these 2 tutorials using the Once palette by Emily Noel and Make It Revolution. I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 tutorials. Leave a comment down below and tell me which one is your favorite. I don't know if I can pick a favorite, but I am really loving the green. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so I know you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Tuesday, Friday, and sometimes on Sunday. I hope you guys have a really great day. I will see you in the next video. Remember, smarter beauty is better beauty. Bye guys.